Good day everyone, this is Teacher Jev and welcome to my channel. Kung isa kang Filipino aspiring teacher na gustong magtrabaho abroad, especially sa Thailand, then this video is for you. If you're watching this video, chances are tapos mo na ang pinakamahirap na part. Naipon mo na lahat ng requirements mo at napa-apostil mo na yung mga documents mo. First of all, congratulations! That's already a huge milestone. Pero ang tanong, ano na ang next step? Simple lang ang sagot. It's time to apply online. At alam ko rin na maraming teachers ang takot sa part na to because of fake agencies, scam recruiters, at mga job offers na too good to be true. As a Filipino teacher na nagtatrabaho na ngayon dito sa Thailand, gusto kong i-share sa inyo ang top 5 trusted and legit websites kung saan ka pwedeng makapag-apply online. Websites na pwede nyong gamitin para makahanap ng teaching job abroad, especially dito sa Thailand. So, if you're serious about teaching abroad, watch until the end because I will also share some tips on how to avoid scams. So, let's get started. Website number 5, LinkedIn. Most people think that LinkedIn is only for office jobs. Actually, marami ng mga international schools, bilingual schools, and education companies na nagpo-post ng mga vacancies dito. All you have to do is just to create a professional profile, upload a formal picture, complete your education and work experience, and upload your resume. The advantage of LinkedIn is that you can also directly connect with school principals, HR managers, and recruiters. Although ingat-ingat lang din sa mga recruiters, especially pag hiningan ka na agad ng paunang bayad kasi red flag yan.
Okay, so let's try LinkedIn. Just type LinkedIn. As you can see, meron na tayong profile dito. So if wala ka pa, pwede kang mag-sign up. That's for free naman. Ayan, so let's view my profile here. Okay, so this is very important that you have to set your profile, of course, in a very professional look. And since I am a science teacher, so ito yung ginawa kong banner, yung profile picture mo should be professional also. And then yung mga details mo dito, specifically yung sa experience, work experience mo, ilagay mo yan dyan lahat. So since I have already 3 schools, so dalawa sa Philippines, tapos etong currently dito sa Thailand. So nilagay ko yan dyan lahat para kung may recruiter man or school principal na makakakita, somehow, ano yan sa kanila. Plus factor kasi yan sa'yo. And then yung education mo dyan, ilagay mo din. So, yung mga basic about you. Kumbaga, ibibenta mo kasi yung sarili mo as a teacher. So, there is a big possibility then that recruiters could see your profile and then will directly contact you through message or chats. Or sometimes nga raw, it's school principal yung kukontak sa'yo. But most of the time, recruiters talaga kasi yan naman yung work nila. So, pag nagustuhan yung profile mo, of course, so there is a big chance na makontak ka directly ng mga recruiters. Now, kung wala namang kumukontak pa sa'yo, you can search naman para makapag-apply ka. So, for example, teaching or that's very broad. Science teacher in China, for example, kasi andito na tayo sa Thailand. So, search mo lang dyan. And maraming options dito. So, meron ngang science teacher in Shanghai. But this is 2 months ago. Pero kung open pa naman siya, why not? You can try still. So, etong meron ding 1 month ago. Yan, pwede mo yung i-click para matingnan mo yung details ng specific job. So, ito yun, science teacher sa Beijing, China. So, eto, merong 59 applicants na, so it doesn't matter. pwede ka namang mag-apply din dyan. So, itong mga details dito about the job. So, basahin mo talaga yung every single detail para makita mo din yung mga benefits at yung requirement nila. So, you can click this in Easy Apply. Ayan. For example, yan. Tapos, location. Ito na nga lang. Ayun. Yasutan, Thailand. Meron din naman specific dito. Okay. And then, upload photo. So, i-click mo lang yan. The hiring team may use your phone number to contact you about this job. So, sige, lagay natin yung photo. So, Thailand documents. Meron tayo ditong naka-prepare na photo. Ayan. So, nag-a-apply pala talaga tayo. It's just an example na. And you have to click next. So, here, merong PDF of my resume kasi nakapag-send naman na ako ng mga pag may na-send ka na. So, meron dyan upload resume. Click mo yan. So, hanapin mo yung file mo. Tapos, lagyan mo ng headline, ng summary, cover letter mo. Ayan, meron din ako nalagay dyan. Saka mo i-click yung next. So, you can apply. So, ganun lang. You have to explore these websites. And the good thing is, these are legit na mga websites talaga where teachers can find teaching job abroad. Ayan, so this is LinkedIn.
Website number 4 is Indeed. Halos kapareho lang din ng LinkedIn. So, you have to look for or search for schools that clearly mention visa assistance, work permit, salary benefits, and school location. If all these details are transparent, that's already a good sign.
So, type mo dyan. Yung Indeed, parang na-try ko na din to before. Nung we are trying pa, nasa Pinas pa ako nun. So, ito, yung sa Indeed. Okay, so meron dito, job title, keywords, or company. So, lagay natin, science teacher. Science teacher, tapos saang country ba? Ito, this is the location. Lagay natin China. China ulit. O, ano to? Find jobs. Okay, so, yun, since science teacher, specific siya for science teacher, and then specific sa lugar na China. So, ayun, merong mga nag-post ng mga vacancies. So, secondary science teacher or tutor. So, for example, kasi ito yung nasa una, this is where you can click for more details para makita mo yung job details. Ayan, location, full job description. So, scroll mo lang dyan, basahin mo every single detail para alam mo yung mga benefits mo and yung mga requirements din nila. So, ito yung sa Indeed.
Website number 3 is Teacher Horizons. You simply create one profile. After that, schools can also find you. Instead of you always applying, some recruiters can contact you directly through this website. If you already have teaching experience and you have a complete document, this website is definitely worth signing up for.
Teacher Horizons. Ayun. Ito. So, ito yung Teacher Horizons. Hindi ko pa na-try ito, kaya wala pa akong account dito. Ayan. So, join for free naman siya. Okay, let's try. Join tayo. Ayan, so of course, yung mga mga personal details so that you can join. Lagay mo dyan. First name, last name, email address, password of your choice, and then retype mo lang. Or join quickly gamit yung, or you sign in with Facebook. Then, how did you hear about Teacher Horizons? Lagay mo yan dyan. Merong drop down of options. Or pwede mo rin i-type. Click mo lang, I agree to the terms and conditions. And then, remember me. Then, so you can join the community and start searching for a job. So, katulad lang din yan ng LinkedIn at Indeed. Search mo lang yung job and then specific location. Tapos, ayun na.
Website number 2 is Test Jobs or TES Jobs. This is one of the biggest teaching job websites in the world.
TES Jobs. Ayun, or Test Jobs. So, ito naman yung for Test Jobs. So, same lang din. Explore mo lang yung So, enter mo yung job title. And then, yung location, kung saan yung country na gusto mo. So, ayan. Search. Click search. So, merong 52 search results for science teacher in China. So, ito yun. Merong ganyan. Job contact details. Then, the salary is before tax, full-time. Ayan, for August siya. Job overview. So, mababasa mo din naman talaga yung mga details dyan. Kasi nga, legit tong mga websites na to. Although sometimes, especially, meron din talaga mga recruiters na kukontak sa'yo. So, click mo yung quick apply. Kukontak sa'yo. Sometimes meron at meron talagang mga illegal recruiters din eh. Kaya, you have to be very careful pa din. Ayan, so ilagay mo email address mo, password, and then sign in, and then you can have na your account naman dito sa Test Jobs.
And finally, website number 1 is adjarn.com. This is my number 1 recommendation for aspiring teachers in Thailand. Adjarn has been serving teachers in Thailand since 1999 and remains the country's best-known teaching job board. Many Filipino teachers currently working here in Thailand started their journey in Adjarn.
So, click mo lang dyan yung jobs. So, marami naman ditong mga postings for job vacancy. Scroll mo lang yan dyan. Pero kung gusto mo, may filter din naman dito. Kasi by default, naka-all Thai provinces yan. Kung gusto mo lang, for example, Bangkok lang talaga. And then, yun, naka-filter. Bangkok lang na area. So, yun. Ito na yung mga kindergarten and primary teachers. Ayun. So, scroll mo lang yan dyan. Pag meron kang nakita, for example, this one, high school science teacher. Napakataas ng salary. So, i-click mo talaga yan. Para makita mo yung details talaga. So, for example, ito, location, meron siyang nilagay na exact location. And yung general responsibilities, minimum requirements, kasi sometimes merong mga school talaga na nagre-require ng native English speakers lang. Most of them, gusto nila yung mga native English speaker. Pero, ang kagandahan ngayon is that since nakita na nila yung gaano ka-hardworking yung mga Pinoy, so, nabibigyan naman ng chance talaga yung iba. yung mga non-native speakers like us. Ayan. So, desired qualifications nandito. Basahin mo lang yan lahat dyan. Say for example, merong specified talaga na preference may be given to native English speakers. Ito yung mga American, yung mga ano talaga, mother tongue nila yung English. Particularly those holding citizenship from Australia, Canada, Ireland, New Zealand, the United Kingdom, or United States. Hindi naman to mostly, hindi siya more on racial discrimination. It's more on ano daw, yung sa visa processing. Kasi mas madali kasi pagka native English speaker yung kinuha nila, walang masyadong problem when it comes to processing the visa, something like that. But sa atin naman, okay din naman sa mga Pinoy so far. So, however, pag meron namang mga ganito, preference lang naman nila yon. Pero kung may nilagay talaga na strictly native English speakers only, yon. Wag ka nang mag-attempt. So, ito is preference lang. At sabi pa dito, however, all suitably qualified applicants with strong English language proficiency and relevant teaching experience are encouraged to apply. So, ibig sabihin kahit yung non-NES or non-native English speaker applicants can apply. Okay? So, mag-include lang daw ng evidence of English proficiency with their application, such as etong mga certificates na ganito or equivalent standardized test results. Pero sa akin naman, hindi naman ako hiningan ng mga certificates na ganyan. TESOL, yung mga TEFL, wala naman. Kasi, most of the time, yung mga international schools talaga yung strict sa ganyang mga requirements. Eto kasing sa akin ngayon dito is public school. And I am not teaching science kahit science teacher ako kasi nga yung vacancy nila is ESL or English. So English yung tinuturo natin dito. Pwede mo yung i-click. Pwede mo ka ring mag-create dyan mismo sa adjourn.com. Pero pag merong mga specific na instruction sila, like this one, how to apply, interested applicant should submit the following. Ano yung isa-submit? Detailed resume, cover letter, relevant supporting documents such as degree, certificate, transcript of record, teaching license. Ayan, basahin mo yan lahat. And merong additional, please email applications to etong email address na to. Okay? So, pag merong specific talaga na sinabi dyan na i-email mo dito, you have to follow that. Okay, so that's it. Simple lang naman basta alam mo lang yung mga websites na legit at saka trusted. Simple na lang na mag-explore ka sa mga websites na yun.
And friendly advice ko lang sa inyo, before sending your documents to someone, always remember these rules. Number 1, never pay placement fees just to get interviewed. Number 2, never send your passport immediately. Number 3, verify the school's website. Number 4, search the school on Facebook or Google. And number 5, ask if they provide non-B visa, work permit, and contract. If someone promises you a teaching job immediately without even interviewing you, be careful. If the salary sounds unbelievably high compared to the same positions, check everything first. Always remember that legitimate schools will never ask applicants to send money. So that's it. I hope you learned something and get insights about teaching life abroad, at kung nakatulong sa iyo ang video na to, baka pwede namang makisuyo ng isang like at mag-subscribe ka na din para laging updated sa mga latest videos about teaching life of a Pinoy teacher abroad. Thank you so much for watching!